February 2025, a magnificent fire at Lake Tyers Beach in a fantastic fire pit that I have made. Probably the best one. It's like a furnace. It's beautiful for fires here when it's not fire restriction. Got mountains of wood delivered by the ute load nowadays. So it's blazing like mad because I've just arced the fire up and chucked on a bit of red gum to be an overnighter, because the rest of the wood just burns away to ash and I want coals, but the rocks will be nice and hot tomorrow. It can just smoulder away all day and I can maybe light her up later on tomorrow at the end of the day again.